Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Wednesday, the 3rd of April, 2019. Hopefully your first day of your state ELA testing has gone well. Looking at homework for this evening, in 7th and 8th period math, your assignment 15.3, that is due tomorrow. And the honors math, your lesson 14.1 is also due tomorrow. Everyone in math needs to check Google Classroom because we do have an extra credit assignment this week. In science, there's no homework. Social studies, there is no homework. And in language arts, once again, you can go through and review online resources and handouts for the air test that we will wrap up with part 2 tomorrow. As always, with literature and the state testing, we need to make sure we got these 3 things: our Chromebook fully charged, an AR reading book, and a pencil. So hopefully we utilized our time wisely today and did not rush through it. At the same time, let's make sure that we have an even better day tomorrow. One last reminder, and that's right here in Language Arts, is you may still bring in $24 cash or check payable to Ontario Middle School by Friday, April 5th, if you would like to order your yearbook. That's it for today. Have a great evening.